by the river now. That's that Carillion place there, Brian.
Yeah, but it's not working.
Carillion Island, yeah, it's closed, otherwise we might have gone there. It's like people have hired a little boat on the river there too. Actually, it's a lake, isn't it?
It is a lake, yeah.
Lake Burley Griffin. Lake Burley Griffin, this is. Little egret there, drying his wings.
In 400 metres, use any lane to turn slightly left onto Brisbane Avenue.
Very nice. And out for the stroll on Easter Monday. Okay. Just coming into Broughton Pass on our way into Sydney. Well, we're away off Sydney yet, still an hour off. Yeah, this is, we thought we'd turn this off because we're not, I thought it might be quite exciting according to the sat-nav. So we've seen some
there's a big drop-off
stunning,
down there.
crumbs. We've seen some stunning cliff roads just on the way in, but we didn't have the
You'll get it at the end here, Jim. It's a 15 kilometre bend.
my goodness me, look at those cliffs up there, wow. So it must be up here as well. Yikes. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness me. Oh, even the road looks a bit crumbly there too, Brian. Crumbs.
There's a little dam or something down there.
Oh, beautiful, yeah.
Hydroelectric plant.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Wow.
Give way one way. Anything coming? No.
Can't see anything. Can't see anything.
There you go, you're at the bottom
Slow
now.
down. Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. That's what I call a pass. Cataract River. Got another tight turn here, Bryce.
Got it, yeah. What am I doing? 50.
Oh wow, there's another level up there. There's the cliffs. Oh shit.
Just go. Wheel spin.
Oh, come on, kid.
Got it. You made it. There you go, down there now.
Wow, look at all that. That is stunning.
Yeah, it's a little hydroelectric plant. There's the feed out.
Yeah.
You know, the distribution centre. Yeah. Why not?
Why not indeed? Yeah. So there you are, you've been through the Broughton Pass. How exciting is that? So here we are in the Blue Mountains. The small waterfall going. In the gorge. Look who's here! Who have we there? Ah, the old man.
We're a bit rusty with all the water we've had.
Oh,
for the
did
last
we have
24
rain?
hours.
At least 24 hours. So, yeah, all the waterfalls going. And there we go. There's a cable car going past. Sorry, I should have introduced where we are. We're actually in the Blue Mountains in Katoomba. And rain like you've never seen. And incredibly, the next day it comes out beautiful again. There's one hell of a drop there. We're just making our way round to see over the top. Be back in a minute. Okay, we're right at the top. That's the cable car station there. There's one that runs right down the cliff, right down into the valley below, and the other one that runs right across here. Into it. Simply stunning. They're huge trees down there. It won't do it justice, unfortunately, to you guys. But wow, it is a bit wow. Katoomba lookout. Hello, Hells.
Wow.
Yeah, last time we came, that was just a trickle. Oh, that drop there. Okay, so you got the gist. We're having a great time. See you later. Okay, we're coming to the Cascades. And wow. We're very lucky to see this because of the immense rain that we had last night and the night before. It was just incredible. It was 500 millimetres, I believe, or something like that. Severe warnings everywhere. So this is a bit of a treat for us. So we're right up near the Seven Sisters now. That's the other end of the cable car.
You kids have really got into this video,
And you can just see it going over there. So that's where we were before, so you can see how high we are now. Somewhere down there. There's the the train rail thing.
Yeah, we've been on that, haven't we? Yeah,
Yeah.
that was nice.
Yeah. So go over your head, right? And, you can see waterfalls in the distance over there. Can you see the waterfalls? All the waterfalls over there on the other rock faces.
Oh, yeah, there's poles.
Yeah, are they poles or are they waterfalls? Actually, they might be poles. Or Germans, whatever.
Maybe Czechoslovakians.
They're waterfalls.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, they are, aren't they?
So I'm guessing you've got an echo from here, hence the name.
An echo?
Yeah, maybe.
There's a cracker. Cracker. Wow.
Yeah, so we're lucky that it's not too many tourists here today. Normally there's bus loads of the
It's going to
other
take some
people.
It's going to get some... I thought you were talking to yourself there, darling. It's just going tonto.
And this is where, in fact, I've got to be quick here because we're
Photobomb!
running.
Photobomb!
And there's the Seven Sisters there. Okay. And there you go. 3 sisters. Absolutely stunning. Just have to do this again. It's just so stunning. The magnitude of it. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Okay, after our excellent trip into the Blue Mountains, leaving Canberra behind and meeting up with our friends H&H Fishies, we are now heading out of Sydney. Chuffy's now been fixed and we're heading up towards, well, we're not quite sure yet, but we've just passed the Hawkesbury River, and near Mooney, that's the Hawkesbury, and Woy Woy, so we're just past the reptile park, heading up the east coast, up there, heading towards Queensland, aren't we, Brian? A bit of warmth.
And equilibrium has been restored.
Equilibrium has been restored.
Nice to go to the city, but very nice to leave the city.
Oh yeah, we've had a bit of a nightmare getting out. Roadworks everywhere and trying to find a route that the sat-nav likes. Anyway, we got there. We survived. And we're out back on the open road again, ready for anything really, aren't we?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. See you next one. Here we go. Heading over to Raymond's Terrace, Fancy Bridge.
Well, this one, the one we're going over, is high enough. But if you're coming
That way they lift
south,
it.
you have to lift a section to get the boat through.
Oh yeah, see all those concrete blocks.
Counterweight.
The counterweights, but I'll tell you all about those.
No, you won't.
Oh, and there's another crane over there. And that looks... It's a big river, isn't it? Eh?
It's a big mucky old river.
Mucky because we've had so much rain. There we go. Very exciting.